In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha stock comparison. We'll start by getting you into the right place on the platform. Open Seeking Alpha and look for the comparison tool. You can find it by using the site's search bar and typing comparison, or by navigating directly to the stock comparison page if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, you'll land on a clean dashboard designed specifically for side-by-side analysis. This page is your command center. It's built to let you enter one or more tickers and instantly surface key data so you can make fast, informed observations. On this dashboard, the layout is straightforward. You'll see an input field where you can type the symbols you want to compare. Think of the tool as a live spreadsheet that fills itself in. As you add companies, it layers in the essentials, like recent price performance, market capitalization, valuation ratios, growth and profitability indicators, and dividend information. The intent is to give you a clear snapshot, so you're not bouncing between multiple tabs or hunting for numbers one by one. Now, enter the symbols you want to compare. Type any stock tickers you're interested in, such as AAPL, MSFT, or GUGI, right into the comparison input field. As you type, suggestions typically appear, which helps you confirm you're selecting the correct listing, especially if a company has multiple share classes or foreign listings. You're not limited to individual stocks either. You can include ETFs and funds in the same comparison, allowing you to see how a broad market or sector fund stacks up next to specific companies, or to compare several funds with one another. As you add each ticker, the comparison view will populate with the corresponding data columns. If you're analyzing companies, try grouping peers from the same industry or sector to make the metrics more meaningful. When including ETFs or funds, remember that some figures, like holdings overlap or expense ratios, will be more relevant than company-level profitability metrics, so focus on what best answers your question. For clarity, keep your list manageable. 3 to 5 tickers is often the sweet spot for quick insights without clutter. Use this page as a jump-off point. The goal is to get a concise, apples-to-apples snapshot that highlights differences in valuation, growth, and performance at a glance. From there, you can decide where to dig deeper. And that's it. Get to the comparison tool, enter your symbols, and let the dashboard do the heavy lifting.